All right, time for part 2 of the wiring cleanup. If you all know what VistaVision is, we can be friends. If you don't, go and look it up and then we can be friends. Okay, so part 2 on this wiring job. I said last time I was gonna clean up the center console wiring, but then I got under the hood and I kind of went crazy. Because I got this junction box. A lot of you guys have followed along and created your own relay junction box for your accessories. And hey, it's a great way to go. I put that together for, very little money, maybe 30 bucks or something in parts and some wire and, just good little kit. But I was looking at it and then I did some internet surfing and I bought one. It wasn't available when I made that, but it's available now, and I'll show you the difference and why I spent $65 on a new relay box instead of building one. Let me show it to you. Okay, I'm going to show you guys what I bought here in just a second, but I'm remiss. We don't do much shilling on the channel. But go download our free app, Overland Bound One. You can go to the map immediately. You don't even have to be a member, and you can find camping locations near you with reviews. They're put in there by our 50,000 members worldwide. So it's called Overland Bound One on iOS and Android. Go and download it. Go to the map. You'll see all kinds of places for you to adventure to for free. If you want to become a member, hey, awesome. That'd be great too. You get more features. All right. What's the difference between a hoopty rig and a rig that is well put together that you would take down through Baja? You can rely on it. It's the parts that you choose. So like the ARB bumper, for example, rock solid, Gobi rack, Zargus cases, it's all rock solid gear. You're gonna spend a little bit more, but it's gonna last a lifetime, and your truck isn't gonna be falling apart in 4-5 years. So that is really the difference. Why am I bringing that up? Because the same is true for my relay box. When I put the relay box together, like I said, it was like 35 bucks or so in parts, but then did some internet surfing. That was not available when I made the relay box, but between $35 and $65, it's a lot tighter. I like it. Let me show it to you. Okay, so there's the relay box that I built. It's usually tucked in here against the firewall. And then it's got my fuses and the relays. And here, I'll move it out here and then move the camera so you guys can really see it. Okay. So, it's got my relays, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 relays, 6 relays, and then it's got where you plug in all the accessories, and then it's fused over here. Now this piece here was a fairly expensive piece of equipment. I think most of the money went there. So, I said $35, but I'll bet it was way more than that. I'll bet it was, $50, almost $60 with all the relays, these bus bars, and this is a really good Blue Sea fuse box. So that's pretty expensive gear. Now let me show you what I'm going to replace it with. Here we go. There it is. Let me make sure you can see that. Yeah, okay. So there it is, right? There you go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 relays fused. And it's just a lot more tidy. So, there we go. It's just a lot nicer, right? And so that's what I'm going to go with. And then you guys saw it's got this nice cover on it as well. So, you know, it'll be nice and clipped onto the firewall or put back here. I'm not sure exactly where it's going to go yet. I need to figure that out. But another thing that I got, and I'm going to give my buddy Parnell some credit because, sorry about my sniffs, you guys, if it's driving you nuts. I got some allergies. Because I also got this here. It is a thread insert tool. So I'll do some thread inserts so that I can put that mount it someplace over here. All right, let's do it. All right, I think it has to go there. It's not as big as it looks. I got this fisheye lens. But I think it's got to go there. I need to figure out how to put a plate there that comes out and it rests on it, and both the plate and the relay box can be moved easily. So I'm going to figure out how to do that. Okay. All right. All right, where am I at? I have the relay box approximately where it's going to go, and I've completed one circuit. So for you guys, it's going to be instant. For me, it'll be another day. I did the one circuit so I remember how the transfer is going to happen when I go from the old box to the new box. But it's coming together pretty good. I recognize some things that I needed, so I also am going to place an order on Amazon, some wire junction boxes to do it right, and I'll show you what that's all about. All right,